Are you looking for the best muscle rollers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best muscle rollers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TriggerPoint STK Handheld Massage Stick. If you're a fan of TriggerPoint's grid foam roller, you'll be familiar with the design features of the TriggerPoint Grid STK, which is essentially a scaled-down version of the beloved grid foam roller. If you're looking for a massage stick that works well for warming up large muscle groups, this muscle roller stick is a great option. The handheld foam roller is less cold and abrasive on bare skin than models with hard plastic beads, and its wide radius and large knobs are efficient for superficial massaging. Unlike other models we tested, the handles also feature rubber knobs that work well for breaking up knots and for targeting pressure. Compared to other massage sticks in our lineup, though, this one is unfortunately far less versatile. While we liked it for rolling large muscle groups before workouts, we found that the downsides of this roller's large knobby structure tend to outweigh its benefits. The ridges are spaced such that the stick has a lurching feel to it. Each knob grips clothing or skin before the next one grabs, which makes it difficult to target pressure using the roller. It's also the most expensive massage stick we tested, and for relieving sore IT bands, arms, and deep tissue, we found it to be a bit overbuilt. This roller has a tendency to snag on both bare skin and clothing, and is best used for warming up large muscle groups. Here you can see clothing dragging as the stick is rolled down the leg. Moving on at number 4, we have the Idson Muscle Roller. The Idson Muscle Roller is another top contender for most affordable. It sports large round beads with deep grooves, and its stainless steel axle design allows you to apply as much pressure as you desire. Compared to the competition, however, we didn't find this one to be that enjoyable to use. There is a ton of friction, so it doesn't roll smoothly, especially if you are trying to roll over your clothes. Meanwhile, the grooves catch everything from hairs to fabric too easily to make it very versatile. There is little reason to consider this one over the better performing options. The Idson has large beads with deep grooves, and while it is economically priced, we don't find it to be very comfortable against the skin. You can see the marks it leaves after passage in this photo, and it also has a lot of built-in friction. At number 3, we have the MZDXJ TriggerPoint Muscle Roller. The clamshell structure of the MZDXJ TriggerPoint Muscle Roller offers an alternative to the classic massage stick that works well on smaller and hard-to-reach parts of the body such as the forearms and neck. Especially after workouts involving lifting and hanging, we found the MZDXJ to relieve tendon pain in the elbows and forearms. The handles make it easy to adjust pressure, and the 4 knobbed beads are great for targeting specific areas. Climbers and those seeking to relieve tension in small muscles, tendons, and ligaments, look no further. Unfortunately, this massage roller is not as effective for large muscle groups. We found it to work well when positioned laterally on the leg to roll the IT band and smaller muscles of the lower leg, but positioning it with the knobs in front and back was awkward. On the lower leg, the front knobs rolled over our shin bones, not ideal, and on the upper leg, we found that it was hard to sustain the amount of pressure needed to relieve deeper tissues in the quads or hamstrings. The MZDXJ is an excellent tool for targeting pressure on small muscles, tendons and ligaments. We find it works best when positioned laterally on the legs, to avoid contact with our shin bones. At number 2, we have the TigerTail 18 inches Massage Stick Portable Roller. The TigerTail is our other clear favorite in the testing fleet and serves as an excellent alternative to the stick. This design is unique in our testing because, unlike the others, it doesn't have several independently rotating beads but rather a singular rigid foam roller attached to a stick. The lack of inherent friction in this design gave us the ability to focus on stubborn knots and press hard to reach deep muscle and tissue levels with the highest amount of direct pressure. The roller's foam texture feels great against your skin and doesn't snag on hairs. We found this to be the best roller stick for nailing other areas of the body besides the legs. In particular, we loved it for massaging the forearms or upper arms by pinning one end into our hip and using it one-handed. It comes with a handy pamphlet that gives you lots of guidance for potential positions. On the downside, this muscle roller stick is one of the most expensive we tested. To be clear, we aren't talking budget-breaking prices here, but simply pointing out that it costs more than the others. Another thing to consider is that it doesn't roll as evenly as the stick, which means it takes more effort to get the warm-up action from the natural friction. It's best used on bare skin or workout clothes to avoid the enhanced grip getting caught up on heavy or oversized clothing. If you want a foam roller stick that can rival the amount of pressure from using a foam roller on the ground, then the TriggerTail is the one for you. The TriggerTail is one of our testers' favorite choices, especially when it comes to applying intense amounts of pressure for deep tissue massage. It has a single roller, instead of many different independently moving beads like most designs, and is covered in a comfortable firm foam. And finally at number 1, we have the Kamileo Athlete Muscle Roller. Among massage rollers with beads, the Kamileo Muscle Roller stands out for its particularly rigid structure. This roller is the stiffest we tested, with 10 cog-shaped plastic beads resting on a stainless steel axle. The beads roll smoothly without any pinching or snagging, and the knobs are great for quickly warming up large muscle groups. It's also quite affordable, and it comes with a handy instruction pamphlet of exercises. The large, textured beads and metal axle make it difficult to target specific areas, though. The ease with which the beads roll over the axle means they slip and slide while you're trying to bear down on a knot, especially compared to models that feature a single moving cylinder. The Kamileo is also somewhat painful to use for sustained sessions. We recommend a barrier of clothing while using this roller since we found it abrasive on bare skin. The knobbed roller is the stiffest structure we tested. The cog-shaped beads roll smoothly over clothing, which we preferred over bare skin since the rigid plastic can be abrasive. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.